Okay, dang it. What does that mean? What does that mean? It's blurry. It is blurry. I don't like it when it's blurry. It is freaking blurry. When you stand there for a long time, it's blurry. I don't want it. I don't want it blurry. Okay. Freak. Okay. What's up, guys? My name is Foxy, and we are gonna be. My God, Jesus, freak. This dog, bro. It's been barking for 5 hours, bro. It's scared. Oh my God! It's barking at me. Okay, I don't care. You can bark at me all you want. Okay, bruh? Okay? Okay, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Oh, God. Clouds look good. I'm flying. Okay. Why are you barking? Are you barking at bees, bro? Do you want to eat the bee? It don't got honey inside of. See you later. God. Oh my God! I'm about to go inside. Gosh, damn it! Heep. Oh, they're in the front. They're in the front. I'm gonna get off the video, okay? A few hours later. Fuck that. She is still there. Oh my God, bro. I'm going back up there. I'm going up there. I don't think I'm gonna get you guys to listen, but no, not listen, but I don't know if I can. Why are you barking? I'm not gonna drop you inside here. The dog is gone. Nice landing, though. Let's get it. And I didn't resume the freaking stuff. It was Bijou Mike and I forgot what it was. Bijou Mike. It was Bijou Mike and I like my backyard. Clouds, I'm flying, and it's wet. And I'll show you the life to be on top of a bike like this. I'll show you the life. Please. Freak, I don't got no gas. Okay. Yeah. Driving with one hand though. I'm holding the camera and I'm doing the bike controls. This is how you do it. But the camera's shaking around like. See, you're shaking around. You can't even see the wheel. You can't even see the life inside of the wheel. You can do something else. Like this little freaking bike. Putting it up here. And you guys can slide down there. Right? I'm going to make you guys slide down there. Okay? Okay? See how the life is. Okay? Okay?